Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on your phone's hotspot and securing it. This prevents unauthorized access. Once done, set a clear SSID name so you can find it on the PC. Make sure you pick 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster speed if both options exist. Also, enter a WPA2 or WPA3 password so the link is encrypted. Keep an eye on your data allowance and set a timeout or device limit to avoid unexpected charges. Now switch to your PC and open the Wi-Fi network list. Select the SSID you created and enter the password. If you prefer a wired connection, plug a USB-C or Lightning cable into the phone and enable USB tethering on the phone. This often bypasses Wi-Fi issues. Once connected, make sure the PC's network adapter shows an active connection and has an IP address. If not, update the Wi-Fi driver or toggle airplane mode to force the hardware to reset and try again. Finish by verifying internet access, load a web page, or run a quick speed test so you know performance. Make sure to mark the connection as metered on the PC if you want to prevent large downloads. When you're done, turn off the hotspot to save battery. If something goes wrong, the most reliable fix is to restart both devices and toggle the hotspot. This clears temporary glitches. If that fails, check carrier tethering permissions and update phone OS or PC network drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.